Greg here, Underground Graphics. I'm going to show you guys a real quick install. We just released the gas caps for the Gladiators. These are cut to shape. I've already done, actually I didn't do this. We'll do this real quick. Alcohol, clean microfiber. Want to make sure our surface is clean, don't go mudding, then expect to get this on here without any debris under it. There we go. Soft squeegee, heat gun. These are cut just over that gas cap. You're really going to want to follow the edge, you know, the outside edge of that. And this is always air release vinyl. We're using 3M or Avery, depending on color. This one is 3M. And again, line up to that outside edge. This will give you enough to get on that edge, just to roll that outside back over. I think the hardest part is going to be getting the liner off of the film. Again, once that film is tacked, it'll be pretty easy. Again, this film is real forgiving. So now that that's off, let's open this up. So now we're going to get a little bit of heat on this. Just want to soften those edges. You can do this with your thumb, but you may get some wrinkling just along that edge. So this really ensures if you don't have a heat gun, you really use a hair dryer. Just make sure it's hot. You don't want to blow a lot of dust everywhere. This is nice because it's not high power. I would not suggest doing this outside in the sun. You get the benefit of the heat, but the minute this gets hot, it gets soft. Also with the heat, you can see if there's any bubbles in there, and if there is, it comes right out. Guys, I think that's it. Check our edges. There you go.